Well, we're a little late getting on the video camera here, but we basically ripped out the old driveway, graded it down. We had one of our sub-trades who's very handy with woodworking and renovations and what have you. He built a retaining wall for our friend here that we're doing the driveway for, because his driveway sloped down almost 2 feet on the one side. It wasn't a proper driveway, it was unsafe. It had old railway ties that were basically just falling apart. There wasn't a good support wall there. To do it in concrete would have cost him, quite a few $1,000s, several $1,000s to do a proper concrete wall. So we recommended our guy to come in and take a look and price it out for 6x6 pressure treated ties, and go up all along the side there, so he's got easy access into the backyard without a slope, and retain that all the way up to the back, as you can see, way in the back right hand corner, and going all the way down the driveway. So now we can actually use his 3-wide driveway, and not just for looks, not just for asphalt, just for appearance sake. It's actually usable now. We're fully equipped for almost any situation. If he would have wanted concrete curbs, we would have accommodated that as well. But as it is, this complements his home, and the design will continue into the backyard with the pressure treated wood, with this pergola, gazebo, decking, and so on and so forth. This fellow just bought this home in St. Catharines, Ontario, and got himself a really good deal on the purchase. So he's investing quite a bit of money, and everything he puts into his home, of course, is going to appreciate the value of the home, and it's his personal residence. So if and when he decides to sell the home in the future, it's all tax-free dollars. While he enjoys it for the next probably 20 years, 30 years, we're giving him 2.5 inches of HL3. He had a big hump in the driveway before. We graded it down, added clean limestone, compacted it, and now we're paving. Okay. I'll get back at you when we're done here. Thank you.